Hey everybody, Chris here from IPD, and I'm here to let you know that IPD is currently running a sale on wiper blades and bulbs to help provide you with more visibility through our dark and wet winter months. Here at IPD, we understand we've got customers all over the world, and some of you are enjoying the pleasant summer months. But for the majority of us, we find ourselves driving to and from work in the dark. And that's why we wanted to run a special helping you afford to purchase new wiper blades or headlight bulbs, helping guide your way through the dark. Now, because you drive a Volvo, you've got safety on your mind, and that's fantastic, just like all of us here at IPD. And that's why we decided to run a sale on bulbs and wiper blades to help you get a little bit safer through the winter months. Now, just a quick tip. A lot of people only really detail their cars during the summertime. But it's just as important to keep your car clean during the winter for safety and performance. Make sure to lift those wiper blades up off the windshield and clean them properly. This will get all the road grime and debris off those wipers, making them last longer and perform better, especially if a storm sneaks up on you. Headlights. A lot of grime gets built up on your headlights. They're the first line of defense. They're out in front of the car. A lot of road grime and debris gets built up on them, and then your lighting system doesn't perform the way that it should. So if you're going to invest in wiper blades or bulbs, make sure and clean these things, and that will help you get through the winter months safe. Now here at IPD, we've got tons of options for wiper blades, stock replacements, and even upgrades. Same with bulbs. We've got so many different lighting options for you for your Volvo. If you have any questions about any of them, feel free to call our customer service at 800-444-6473, and one of our Volvo specialists will be happy to help.